Welcome to Misti Herbal Remedies, where nature's wonders come to life. Discover the transformative power of our exceptional herbal products, meticulously crafted with 100% natural ingredients. Let your hair embrace pure indulgence with our specially formulated herbal hair care collection. Bid farewell to hair-related woes and unlock the elegance that blooms from within. Unveil radiant, youthful skin with our exquisite range of herbal solutions. From acne to dark spots, defy the signs of aging and enhance your inherent beauty with our carefully curated skincare remedies. Nourish your body from the inside out with our premium health care products. From digestive issues to immunity support, we provide holistic solutions to restore balance and vitality. Elevate your bathing experience with our carefully crafted premium range. Immerse yourself in the enchanting aromas and natural goodness that leaves your skin feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and pampered. Behind each of our products lies a wealth of knowledge and expertise. Our team of experts diligently selects and combines natural ingredients, ensuring the highest quality and efficacy in every formulation. Join the countless individuals who have experienced the transformative effects of Misti Herbal Remedies. Embrace nature's gifts and unlock your true potential for health, beauty, and well-being. Misti Herbal Remedies, your trusted companion on the journey to natural radiance and vitality. Visit us at mistiherbal.com for more information.